The sunset turned orange.
She had to stay away.
I'm kind of scared for my life right now. This looks insane. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going on a road trip up to
Lassen Volcanic National Park.
Woo!
And Crater Lake.
Yay! It's been about 4 hours of driving and we've just made it to Lassen National Forest. Woo. It's a lot warmer here than I anticipated, and while I did check the weather, I have a hard time correlating numbers to how hot it actually is. So I packed really for a snowy weekend in Yosemite because that was the last place we went. And it's hot here and all I have are sweats, fleece, puffer jackets. So we'll see how this works out for me. Stark difference right here between the right where the fire was and then the left where it couldn't cross the road. It's crazy. Yeah, guys, look how beautiful it is. I'm so excited to see the acid lakes. Hydrothermal flasks. Hydrothermal Fisher flask. So there's lava underneath there, and the lava gets evaporated, boiled, and there's a vapor zone, and then condensated, and then we see these.
Wow.
That's cool. Wow. Well, we've just decided that our first pet is going to be named Pika, whatever it is. Be it a dog or a cat.
Or actual peak. We recognize this one.
They literally sell this at Muir Woods.
Are there redwoods here? Those are redwoods.
And they call it Muir Woods, and here they call it Lassen. Okay, well, I wanted to get this, but I guess this isn't specific to Lassen.
You probably can find this at other places too.
Yeah. It literally just started raining.
It's so sunny too.
Yeah, it doesn't even look like rain weather. Okay. Run, run, run.
Just this one rain cloud.
All right, we're braving the rain, but actually
it actually just stopped.
Yeah, we stepped out and the rain stopped. This trail that we're about to go on is called...
It's a sidewalk, but...
Sidewalk trail.
It's called Sulfur Works.
Sulfur Works.
You can kind of smell it, right?
Yeah, it smells like burning.
Is that it?
Is that the boiling acid, or is that just like construction?
No, that's the hydrothermal activity.
Okay, this is it. Sulfur Works. Steam vents, mud pots, boiling springs. I can confirm. It smells like rotten eggs here. Blech.
She had to stay away.
Does it smell good?
I just breathed it through my mouth.
On the way to Lake Helen. Who's Helen? Quick stop out here at Emerald Lake. And it looks pretty cool. The water is actually green. Deer! Wow.
Like blacktail?
So cute. Ooh, and it's so beautiful actually because it's raining.
Yeah.
So it looks like sparkling water.
Whoa, that's kind of cool picture.
Look at that. I wonder why it's green. Like, do you think there's algae in it or something. Ah, yes.
It's like so quiet out here, it hurts my head. I kind of like it. It's like green, but really clear though. It's like that algae's on the bottom.
What?
It's called Emerald Lake.
Right, that's why it's green. You didn't realize that?
It didn't click till now. Okay, we made it to Bumpass Hell Trail. Woo! It's like 3 miles, I think. So
Let's see. So this is Helen Lake that we can see from the trail. Wow, this photo looks unreal.
yeah,
If it weren't for the 2 traffic cones right there.
it did it out.
Wow, look at that view. Just found a river down there. Seems to be flowing. There's no guardrails on this trail.
Okay, we're a little bit into it, and you can see that's where we came from. Okay, hold on, wait a minute.
What?
You swapped your regular glasses for
for
non-prescription sunglasses.
Right, and everything is so much better now.
How can you see anything?
I mean, the views are so strong that you don't really need prescription glasses to see.
Okay,
Oh, it looks like there's an overlook here.
just don't get too close to the edge. I don't know if you can see.
I can see fine.
Okay. What's your prescription?
-2, -3.
So then where's that one?
That's why it's dotted.
Because it's gone.
Well,
Where'd it go?
it blew up.
Oh.
I mean, I guess. So that's where it would have been.
Amazing.
That's crazy. Yeah, so these 2 mountains are these 2 here.
Right.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Can really
Can't
see it in
see.
your face. No, I don't. Oh my gosh, it's so small. Oh my gosh. I thought I was smelling sulfur again, and here we are. These big sulfur lakes. All right, we're finally making it to the head of this loop, 1.5 miles in. Here they are, smelly lakes. Oh, it actually smells horrible. He's so cute. Oh my gosh. We're headed 1.5 miles back to try to make the sunset at Manzanita Lake. It is now almost 6. We're hoping to finish this hike maybe within the next 15 minutes, drive about 30 minutes to the lake, and then hike maybe 20 minutes to get to the spot for the sunset at 7:10.
Yeah, it's a little tight, but you know, what's a Joy and Adam vacation without rushing to the sunset?
Just for this one to get the pictures. Well, this hike has been pretty fun. We're back to the spot where we can see our cars parked over there. I would say it's a little tougher than I expected. There's some like uphill and it's a little bumpy, and then at the end it's not like a grand waterfall or anything.
To be fair, we kind of turned around a little early because it smelled bad.
Otherwise, this hike was pretty good. A little bit sunny, so I'd recommend like a hat and sunglasses. You could take your pets on this hike. It seems pretty pet friendly if they can walk on gravel. I also saw a couple earlier like pushing their child in a stroller, and I think you could get pretty far along.
Probably halfway down.
Halfway,
before
probably.
It gets, like,
Yeah.
Before you have to go down like steps.
Wow, totally missed this view on the way up because we didn't really turn around, but yeah, look at that. We are on our way over to Manzanita Lake. The views change so quickly. Like one moment you're in greenery and trees, and the next you're in like the woods, and then the next you're between rocks. It's really cool out here. We're on one side of the lake and we're trying to get to the other side, and you can go right or left. It's getting chilly. It's almost 7 p.m. and I think we're at higher elevation because my ears are kind of perpetually popped. 2 roads diverged. I'm not sure that this is a trail, but we are taking the one less traveled by in hopes to find something at the end. It's smelling very burnt, kind of like firewood or something. You can see a little bit of the lake behind us here. Wow, what mountain is that?
Oh.
Mount Lassen, everybody. The sunset turned orange and the mountain is absolutely stunning. It's like a perfect mirror. Look at that. Adam is moving his way over there. Good spot?
Oh, it's getting worse now. By the second.
Oh, wow. We just finished sunset, ate quick dinner, some sandwiches from earlier, and then went to the women's restroom.
Someone was a little scared, and it wasn't her.
Yeah, it's a little dark out here, but we have to wait till it's like pitch black for astrophotography, and we have to go out into the woods.
We're gonna try to fight the dark tonight. The plan is to go out to the vista point where we're able to see the mountain like the sunset pictures, but the stars should be reflected in the still water, and so you should get the stars in the sky and stars in the lake. He
rented a $1,200 lens just for astrophotography, so
it wasn't $1,200 to rent.
I said he
rented.
rented.
Just clarify. I'm clarifying. I rented a $1,200 lens.
I'm like actually kind of scared for my life right now, but
It's really bright.
all right.
So you can keep it on.
You can set up first.
Yeah.
I guess
It
no one can see anything on the video.
Oh yeah, you don't do this.
Okay, well, we'll insert some pictures here. We've moved to a better location in a parking lot. You can see the Milky Way and the Big Dipper and maybe the Little Dipper. I really have no idea what we're looking at, but it's so cool. And I can sit in the car and see it. Good morning. We just made it out to breakfast. Making a waffle. I'm feeling refreshed for the day, so I'm really excited. I think we're gonna hit a couple more places here at Lassen and then drive the rest of the way up to Crater Lake. Wow, look at that waffle.
Here we go. Let's do the pour.
Yum. Potatoes, and I put some ketchup on it. Yum. I didn't know potatoes could be rubbery, but I've been proved wrong. It looks like a potato, but it's
Like an eraser?
yeah. Having Cheez-Its, and look at the bag. The high altitude made it all.
They made Cheez-It Puffs.
The scenery has drastically changed from a lot of trees to now lots of rocks.
Yeah. I always thought volcanoes made like very fertile land, but this is so barren.
Why do they make fertile land?
I don't know. I think they like a lot of nutrients.
The like ash in the molten lava has nutrients?
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh.
I always thought it was fertile land.
We just made it to the Kings Creek Trail. We are here and probably want to hike all the way through to the overlook here. Sure that there's going to be any sort of waterfall here today. It's quite hot and dry in the direction that we're heading, but maybe, I don't know. 0.3 miles left. Can definitely hear some water. See the falls a little bit over there. It's a lot cooler here, right by the water. Look at these trees. Whoa. Not satisfied? Get it off. Get it off.
It's a leaf.
Where? Get it off. Dang.
It's a leaf.
We made it. That's awesome. Crazy to think that that stream right here, this stream is giving off this much water. This looks insane. We're taking a shortcut back, 0.9 miles, and it is very steep. It's the trail we're starting on, and we're about to go up here, all the way up to where those people are, and beyond to get back. Gotta do what you gotta do for the picture.
right.
All right, shortcut, let's go. Oh boy, but look at the view. We're so close to the water. Well, you can't really see, but we just came up all this way. Last little bit. Almost there. I am out of breath. 164 heart rate. We made it.
Coming up on the end of this trail, you can see our car. It's been pretty easy the last
What?
half mile,
Okay, that's
right?
true.
Well,
I think we're both hungry.
yeah, it's lunchtime, past lunchtime, so.
Let's go see if we can get some food and head on up to Crater Lake.
Woo woo!
But on the off chance that I'm making that a separate video, thank you guys so much for watching our Crater Lake adventures. We'll leave our
Crater
recommendation.
Lake Adventures?
Sorry.
Lassen Volcanic.
Our Lassen Volcanic Park adventures. Please leave a comment down below of your favorite part or your favorite scenery and view. We'll leave our recommendations in the description. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with someone who you think would enjoy this park as well.
Yep.
Thanks for watching. Bye. And that's our trip to Lassen. We are on our way out.